NASA has revealed a stunning satellite view of a very broken iceberg.I in September 2017, a new iceberg calved from Pine Island Glacier, one of the main outlets where the West Antarctic Ice Sheet flows into the ocean. However, just weeks later B-44 shattered into more than 20 fragments.O. On December 15, 2017, the Landsat 8 Earth orbiting satellite took the incredible image of the broken berg at around midnight local time. NASA says an area of relatively warm water, known as a polynya, has kept the water ice free between the iceberg chunks and the glacier front. The polynya's warm water could have caused the rapid breakup of B-44, it is believed. The space agency says that based on parameters including the azimuth of the sun and its elevation above the horizon, as well as the length of the shadows, it estimates that the iceberg rises about 49 meters above the water line. That would put the total thickness of the berg, above and below the water surface, at about 315 meters. Earlier this month, NASA's airborne Operation IceBridge mission captured a stunning image of an Antarctic iceberg surrounded by an otherworldly blue halo. At first glance, the striking neon color appears artificial, but, according to the space agency, the submerged layer of the eroded iceberg truly is the bluest of ice. The remarkable effect was spotted during a flight to Victoria Land as the aircraft passed over Antarctica's McMurdo Sound. Operation IceBridge wrapped up its Antarctic survey earlier this week, marking the completion of 5 polar campaigns this year. The stunning image of the glowing iceberg was captured on November 29, revealing the incredible effect of blue light from the sound. The undersides of some icebergs can be eroded away, exposing older, denser, and incredible blue ice, NASA explains. Erosion can change an iceberg's shape and cause it to flip, bringing the sculpted blue ice above the water surface. This year was the 9th consecutive year the space agency has conducted flights over the continent. NASA recently released a series of dramatic images taken during the course of its Antarctic survey. Operation IceBridge has been studying how polar ice has evolved over the past 9 years and just wrapped up a set of 9-hour research flights over Antarctica to monitor ice loss. Researchers have used the IceBridge data to observe that the West Antarctic Ice Sheet may be in a state of irreversible decline, directly contributing to rising sea levels. The video gives a first-person perspective of a glacier run in the P-3 Orion aircraft, revealing the icy waters and snow-topped peaks that dominate the remote landscape. The campaign uses NASA's P-3 aircraft, a 4-engine turboprop from the Wallops flight facility that can fly for 8 to 12 hours. And it's equipped with a number of instruments that have made for more precise observations. The new laser has a very narrow pulse that fires 10,000 pulses every second, compared to the old laser's wider pulse at 3,000 pulses per second, said Jim Yungel, Wallops program manager for the laser altimeter, when the spring survey began. We'll be able to triple our data collection rate and see finer detail within steep structures, like crevices or sea ice leads, in addition to measuring ice elevation more accurately. IceBridge is designed to support the upcoming ice, cloud, and land elevation satellite 2, IceSat-2, which will use lasers to measure the elevation of sea ice in the ocean. The satellite is set to launch in 2018. In the meantime, the P-2 Orion craft has been collecting massive amounts of data on the polar ice, revealing how the ice sheets are changing.